Road cycling is advancing with new gear that boosts performance, safety, and comfort. Whether you're experienced or a beginner, the right accessories can greatly improve your ride. In today's video, we will show you 7 essential road bike accessories every cyclist should have. So, without any further delay, let's get into it. LUBE's MK2 Max carbon pedals offer an appealing balance of features for cyclists of all levels. Weighing 321 grams, these carbon-bodied pedals provide low weight and adjustable tension, allowing users to customize cleat grip. They come with grey-look MK2 grip cleats, offering 4.5-degree floats suitable for most riders. It boasts an enlarged stainless steel contact surface, now 60 mm wide, which LUBE claims is 25% larger than before. This mid-range option combines the benefits of lightweight carbon construction with user-friendly adjustability, making it versatile for beginners and experienced cyclists alike. The Mattone seat bag offers a 41L capacity with innovative organization features. Its book-like design separates contents, preventing damage and noise. One side holds a tube and CO2 cartridge, while the other stores tools and small items. A flap provides slots for cards and keys. The off-center waterproof zipper allows full opening when off the bike and easy access while riding. A high-friction high-pallon strap with boa closure secures the bag 15 times more effectively than Velcro, ensuring it stays in place without swinging or rattling. This design addresses common issues with traditional seat bags, offering cyclists a secure, quiet, and well-organized storage solution. The Curved Light is a versatile, rechargeable bike light offering up to 220 lumens of brightness and a maximum runtime of 70 hours. It features 4 modes, including a power-saving option, and attaches easily to handlebars using a silicone band. The top-mounted battery indicator doubles as an on-off button and mode selector. Charging takes just 2 hours via USB. The light's unique curved glass design provides 180-degree visibility, enhancing cyclist safety. Weather-resistant, IP44, and compatible with handlebar diameters from 22 to 42 mm, it performs reliably in various conditions. Available in multiple colors, the Curved Light's innovative design earned it the ABC Mobility Award for Outstanding Product Design in 2021, making it a stylish and functional choice for cyclists. The Outfront Bike Mount V2 is a sleek, secure, and versatile way to attach your phone to your bike handlebars. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, it boasts a slim profile and strong magnetic mechanical mounting technology for effortless attachment and removal. The mount can be positioned in front, below, or behind the handlebars for optimal viewing. Its flip-up feature transforms your phone into an action camera for recording rides. An accessory mount accommodates bike lights or other gear, saving handlebar space. Compatible with various handlebar sizes and part of the Peak Design mobile ecosystem, this mount offers durability, versatility, and a lifetime guarantee. SILCA Super Secret Chain Lube is an innovative product combining the benefits of hot melt wax with easy application. Born from extensive research and development, this lube uses micro-scale wax powders in a quick-drying solution. The formula, inspired by IndyCar technology, also incorporates tungsten disulfide. This unique combination outperforms traditional hot melt waxes in friction tests while being simpler to apply. The lube is clean to touch, repels dirt and debris, and can save up to 7 watts compared to other lubricants. It offers the performance of a full wax treatment without the complexity, making it an efficient and effective choice for cyclists seeking optimal chain performance. The MK2 Rear Mudhugger is a robust and effective mudguard designed to keep you clean and dry on your rides. Made from 100% recycled polypropylene, it offers excellent coverage for your rear wheel, protecting you and your bike from mud and spray. The mudguard features a quick and easy installation process with reusable Velcro straps and rubber inserts for added grip and damping. It also includes a new push-fit BB extender to protect your bottom bracket area from debris. With its full-length wheel coverage, sturdy attachment, and lightweight design, the MK2 Rear Mudhugger is a reliable choice for riders looking to stay clean and enjoy their rides without worrying about mud. The Garmin Edge 530 is a comprehensive GPS cycling computer that caters to both casual riders and serious athletes. It features a high-resolution display for easy navigation, route following, and advanced performance tracking capabilities including heart rate monitoring, power measurement, and various performance metrics. The device offers advanced training and analysis features to help improve your cycling skills. Additionally, it keeps you connected with built-in messaging and live tracking features. Whether you're looking to navigate new routes, track your performance, or stay in touch with others while riding, the Edge 530 is designed to enhance your overall cycling experience and help you achieve your goals on the bike. That's all about the 7 essential road bike accessories of 2024. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below which one you are thinking of buying.